A dermaplane facial is going to be really good for exfoliating, getting any of that dry skin, peach fuzz off the skin. What we'll do first is cleanse your face, so it's totally fine to come in with makeup or SPF or anything on your face. Will get you nice and clean. As the dermaplane is being performed, you'll actually see a layer of dead skin cells as well as peach fuzz come off the skin. So that's something that visually is very satisfying for people to see that that is no longer on their face. And also that is going to be part of the reason you have this glow post dermaplane, is because all of the dead skin cells have been exfoliated, as well as any sort of peach fuzz or hair on the face. Everyone has a little bit, so it's nice just having a fresh, clean slate.